come. Here they come. You want a treat? Today we're having Nature Valley Crunchy Bar. Come here, damn it. Get your name out. Caramel. Ladies first, that's what I meant to say. Kind of dark over there. Turn the flash on. There you go. Usually break them in half, but I figure I got a big old box. I don't care for them too much, so. Whoa. Kind of snappy. Violent there to be the smallest boy. See how gentle he was in comparison to Brownie? Should have named him Blackie. Alright, you in the corner. Gee, big and gentle. I like that. I think all of them except Caramel have gotten a piece of my finger before, so I'm extra cautious now. Dang, you demolished that in like 2 bites, huh? Okay.